Are you ready to master the art of scanning for fixed prosthetics, starting with a fully anatomical crown? We're proud to introduce our full start-to-end protocol for digital cemented prosthetics, covering everything from order creation to crown cementation, covering in-depth both clinic and lab steps. This course is tailored to increase your confidence when using the trio scanning tools, in maneuvering the scanner, registering occlusions, and ultimately achieving better quality scans, leading to predictability and higher quality prosthetic outcomes in collaboration with the lab. Why the focus on crown, you ask? Well, we know it's the most frequently performed treatment in clinics, and mastering it digitally lays the foundation for more advanced prosthetic protocols. We've created an interactive learning experience that is always at your disposal. Explore our introductory assets that cover the fundamentals of digital dentistry, from soft tissue management to intraoral scanning, CAD/CAM technology in dentistry, and basics of occlusion scanning. Access it through the link in the description. Check it out today.